If you are a chocolate lover, you are in for a treat. Today I'll be guiding you through a simple yet decadent recipe that'll have you indulging in rich, moist layers of chocolate goodness. To make this heavenly recipe, you'll need these ingredients. As always, our first step of making a cake is prepare with our dry ingredients. Mix flour, salt, baking powder and baking soda. Then in another separate bowl, mix cocoa powder and oil. For this cake batter, I'm using Dutch processed cocoa powder. It can give you a cake a darker color and rich look. Now let's move on to our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, beat butter until creamy. When butter is creamy enough, prepared chocolate mixture, brown and granulated sugar can go into this big bowl. Now it's time to add eggs and vanilla. When eggs are well combined, add half of dry ingredients, half of sour cream and half of the milk. After mixing well, add rest of the flour, milk and sour cream. Gradually adding these ingredients help you a lot to give it a good mix. Now our final ingredient, coffee, can go into the batter. When the cake batter is ready, pour it equally into two 8-inch round baking trays and bake the cake around 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. To decorate this cake, today we are using a chocolate buttercream frosting. To make this frosting, let's beat butter around 5 minutes until light and cloudy. Then add vanilla, salt and cocoa powder. After that, add cream. Then you can gradually add icing sugar and beat until frosting reaches your desired consistency. Once the cake is completely cooled down, frost the top of one cake layer, place the second layer on top and frost the top and sides of the cake. You can decorate this cake as desired with your frosting and enjoy your homemade devil's food cake. Hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. See you soon with another mouth-watering one.